Google Meet offers several layout options to customize your meeting view. By default, Google Meet changes the layout to display the most active content and participants. To customize your layout, click More Options, then click Adjust View. Choose a layout that works for your current meeting: Auto, Tiled, Spotlight, or Sidebar. The tiled layout shows up to 49 people at the same time. By default, you'll see 16 tiles on your screen. To see fewer or more tiles, move the slider to the number of tiles you want to see. The number of tiles you choose will be the default for future meetings unless you change it. You can also hide tiles without video. The Spotlight layout displays the active speaker or a shared screen and fills the entire window. The Sidebar layout displays the active speaker or shared screen as the main image. You'll see thumbnails of additional participants on the side. Once you've selected your layout, click Close. Your changes are automatically saved and appear in future meetings. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.